Shimla IT Dealers Association, SITDA, will be organizing the first ever IT dealer Event Cum Expo on August 5 in Shimla at Hotel East Bourne. The event will be inaugurated by the Chief Guest Principal Advisor IT, Cabinet Minister, to Chief Minister and Mr. Harish Janartha, the Honorable MLA, Shimla City. The event is organized and will act like a great platform for networking, and it is indeed very overwhelming for us to organize such an event of this stature, and it's the very first time that we have organized this event. We are quite excited to hold this event and are quite hopeful that this kind of event will be helpful for IT industry, and we plan to have more. We are very happy to declare that within a short span of time we have been able to organize this event. We are hopeful that the event will be attended by more than 100 to 150 partners in Himachal Pradesh and Shimla. We thank our team members for their wholehearted support and the hard work.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.